Mix ginger, turmeric, and coconut milk and drink 1 hour before going to bed. You will be surprised by the results the next morning. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you just have to mix these 3 ingredients, turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk. Drink this mixture 1 hour before you go to sleep and you'll be amazed by the results when you wake up the next morning. We all know the fact that if you go to bed right after a heavy meal, you always wake up in the middle of the night with an upset stomach. This usually leads to bigger problems like indigestion, heartburn, and acid reflux, and you end up with a sleepless night. But you shouldn't be worried, because you can treat this problem in all natural way with a mix of coconut milk, ginger, and turmeric. This powerful mixture can help you relieve the symptoms almost instantly. Note, before you try this mixture, you should know that it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties which can improve your digestion and prevent acid reflux and heartburn. Coconut milk is loaded with healthy fats and it has strong antimicrobial properties which can prevent digestive or stomach problems caused by bacteria. Turmeric, on the other hand, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and it is able to relieve symptoms of the digestive tract lining. Note, this homemade mixture is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients. 1-inch piece of sliced ginger / 1 teaspoon ginger powder. 2 cups coconut milk. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon organic honey. Many different studies have shown that ginger can provide beneficial effects in the case of all kinds of various health problems, including nausea and vomiting caused by HIV/AIDS treatment, painful menstrual periods, irritable bowel syndrome, migraine, high cholesterol, morning sickness, osteoarthritis, diabetes, nausea and vomiting following surgery, cancer, colon and ovary, weight loss, dizziness. As we mentioned before, coconut milk is a rich source of healthy fats and has potent antimicrobial properties. It is highly effective in the following cases: reduces protein loss, prevents digestive issues, heals damaged tissues and fights infections, boosts metabolism, burns calories. We all know that turmeric has strong antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities, and it's extremely beneficial in the treatment of various health problems, such as soothes arthritis pain, helps detoxification, improves blood circulation and thins the blood, relieves pain and fever due to illness, heals and relieves the digestive tract, prevents ulcers. Black pepper is extremely important as it stimulates the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient of turmeric, which is responsible for most of its healthy properties. Honey soothes irritations, helps digestion, and has countless other health benefits, such as fights insomnia, boosts energy levels, treats muscle fatigue, regulates blood sugar. And now, let's get back to our subject: how to make this powerful remedy. Here's what you need to do. In a larger bowl, mix all the ingredients, except the honey. Stir well until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then, transfer it to a saucepan, and cook it over low heat for 5 minutes. Then, add the honey. How to use it? Well, you should drink this amazing remedy an hour before going to sleep, and it will greatly boost your overall health, and it will help you wake up full of energy in the morning. We really hope you find this article helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.